Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of my hometown. Figured we'd do another ride along. Taking my dog to get a spa day, get a bath. And where we're at, we're going down 150 towards Avis, the borough of Avis. Past the historic Chatham Run Mill. Can't see. That car dealership is European Imports. At one time was a SCAF station. To the left there, on the hill, slightly on the hill, is the Charlton Hotel. Eventually I'd like to get up set up a multi-view shot somehow so that you can see these spots a little better. As we pass the hotel on the left, on the right we pass the historic Untitled Chapter. But unfortunately it was out of camera shot. Charlton is an unincorporated town in Clinton County. Basically what lies between Woolwich, or the area of Woolwich, and Avis. Now there's several historic spots in this area. That I need to do a little more research on so I can find exactly where they are. I'll let y'all know those spots. This Minute Mart up here on the right, they just recently completely redid. They tore it completely down and rebuilt it. It's very nice. That's the Avis Legion. So now we're going into Avis, 150. That truck stop there was a car dealership. I believe it was originally built by M.S. Byerly, a local car dealer in the area. Moved over from Jersey Shore and built here at the Avis exit right off of 220. Our local Avis building supply, Ace Hardware. John Madden says Ace is the place. Frequent there quite a lot. Excuse me. Now I'm going to go through at some point, show you the location of the original Avis High School. It is now the Oak Grove Apartments. That building there to the right of this intersection is the Walnut Street, because this is Walnut Street Baptist Church, and Walnut Street Christian School, which is a branch of the Jersey Shore Walnut Street Christian School that is just down the road in the borough of Jersey Shore. Is the next in the next county, Lycoming County. Where we at, buddy? You know this place, don't you? Is this the Doggy Hotel? Huh? The Doggy Hotel. With that, I'm gonna pause. Okay. Back there. I don't really know a whole lot about back streets in the borough of Avis. It's mostly residential. Has its own fire company. I want to say that the Avis Fire Company has been in operation for 50 years, maybe 60. There was a lot of local, well, I guess not really a lot. There was a few local taverns in the area. Bob's Tavern, as it is known now, has been a tavern for quite some time. There to the right is the Avis Fire Company. Avis, when it was founded, there was a couple of names that it went by, but it was known locally as the town of Oak Grove. And there to the left, that red brick building is called the Oak Grove Tavern. It's owned and operated by Dave and Ruby Harkey. Restaurant, good food. Upon entering Avis and exiting Avis, there are tanks positioned at both ends. The Memorial Park is associated with the Legion. I'm going to turn just ahead up here to the right and go into South Avis. And I'll take you down Take a Peek Drive, Take a Peek Road, and take you past the railroad station. It is now a beer distributor. It's been a beer distributor for quite a while. I haven't been in it, but as I understand, they were attempting to put beer on tap. Now, the road dead ends. The only traffic is railroad traffic beyond this point. But Grand Central Beer. It's a nice old historic railroad landmark. South Avis is the home of what used to be called Avis Building, Avis Homes. They built modular homes for many, many years, employed people here for many years. Until it went out, basically as a result of the housing crisis. Low railroad bridge going into South Avis. A few trucks have gotten stuck under that bridge. South Avis used to have its own bar. It's called the South Avis Inn, that was owned and operated by the Avis Fire Company. To the right, we're going by what was Avis Homes. It is now a marijuana dissemination plant, whatever you want to call them. I'm not exactly sure what you would call them. Also in South Avis is Jersey Shore Steel, which I believe is a division of Bethlehem Steel. Jersey Shore Steel has been in operation for a long, long time. To the right up there, you see the South Avis School, or the Oak Grove School. And it's the Avis packing plant at this time. Up ahead there is Jersey Shore Steel. As you can see, there's still plenty in operation. This is called the Henry Street Partnership. There to the right, we're passing the South Avis Inn. Do not know if it is in operation. It changed hands and became known as the Swinging Door Saloon. And then after that, I do not know what became of it. But the South Avis Elementary School was in operation for quite some time until the mid-1960s, when they consolidated the Avis Elementary and the South Avis Elementary into one elementary school. It's Avis Elementary. Before that, as I said previously, Avis had a high school. It went all the way up to 12th grade. And as I understand it, they had a football team which played up until the early 40s. Unfortunately, World War II put a stop to the football team and I'm sure other sports. I've heard discrepancies in whether